Blizzard Esports and Team Krysos had already played earlier in the year. Last time they played, Blizzard Esports very much controlled the series in a 3-1 win over Team Krysos. Now, Krysos really did want to come for their revenge. They had all their starters full, ready, and set this time. And now, with the playoffs coming nearer and nearer, and both of these teams with a 2-3 record, they were desperate to get into the playoffs.
Solar. No one's ever seen him use a Fennec before, but it just might be working. Fluid Jonah. Fluid. Here's his jump shot. The ball in the corner. So beat it downfield. Solar. Pass up safe. Wide open net again. Big good bounce in favor of Blizzard Esports. Misfit off the back wall. Shot taken by Foolish Thing. Foolish trying to pop off as much as he can this game.
This win would mean so much for Blizzard Esports. They came into the league with an 0-1 handicap. They have been unstoppable since week number 4, and they're showing it so far in this game.
That's a nice shot by Misfit.
With 2 goals scored within 30 seconds for Team Krysos, they had one last chance against Blizzard Esports.
Not safe, Jonah. That's a very nice opportunity. And now they're just wasting more time on the clock. They might want to play a little bit more conservatively. A shot coming in from Jonah. It bounces. Midfield opportunity. Misfit takes the shot. Oh! 1 second left.
With Misfit converting that shot with 1 second left, chat was going crazy. And so was everyone on the pitch. This went on for over 6 minutes and 40 seconds of overtime. After a high-scoring game 1, we go into a 6-minute and 41-second overtime, and it is stalemate over and over again. Stalemate. So many attempts being converted, so many passes being cut off, passes not even be attempted, not solo missed a shot like there on your screen. It was horrendous. And then this happened.
Not on target somehow. Solar. 1-on-1. Mo! It's open! It's open! 6 minutes and 41 seconds. That's how overtime ended. A wide open net, a misplay, misrotation, break in rotation, misflip, triple commit on the other side of the field. What? Wow. And then game 2 was a mess. They're no team to really play with. But if that's a big opportunity, Sink is going to put it in. Well, that's a dangerous ball. No one in the midfield to really capitalize. Off the back wall, Twix has an opportunity. Lingering towards the net. Now Sula can't get there in time. And
little did Twix know what was coming next, and oh boy, did he find out.
Solar goal. Jonah, wide open net. Jonah puts it in. It would have probably been a follow-up. That's a wide open net. I've really been trying to step up for this team. But who can step up? I have to turn on it.
Okay, yeah, so I'm the Blizzard Esports coach, and I have noticed so many terrible things about this gameplay. I was going crazy. They were double committing, they were triple committing, they were doing all types of crazy stuff. I go into the call in after the series, and I asked them, what the hell was that? And they're like, no, we're just messing around, we're just joking around. And I'm like, yeah, cause I mean, they're fun people, they're like fun people. I'm like the serious guy, I'm the guy everyone hates, right? So, when I'm like, you just kidded around because I was not in the call, right? And he's like, yeah, they didn't even put their best efforts in, and they dismantled Krysos, and I'm still mad at them that they didn't try their hardest because they kind of looked very, very bad. They know that they didn't look that good. But game 3, Blizzard Esports versus Team Krysos. Krysos really gave us a run for our money, but no one can stop not Solar.
Midfield pressure. I'm just gonna get that one away. What a play! That almost happened! But didn't, but it's still going to lead to a goal. Try and preach on this. I'm getting a very effective touch. But we'll keep that pressure on. Only for the moment, as that's a nice clear, but Jonah going to keep this pressure on. Sink, 1-on-1, sink into the net! right into Jonah. One-on-one. Jonah might have to get more touch. He does, but it's off target. That was on target. That is a potential game winner. So this might be a potential game winner! Not Solar! Got him! Right back! The crossbar by Not Solar had to adjust his car down. Jonah, Susan was too far back. At this point, there's no point defending. It's advance or nothing, and they're not really taking that into mind. There's no seconds left. Midfield! No one is there to convert. Solo might have to let the ball drop. He's not gonna do that, but Jonah will.
Blizzard Esports with this win against Krysos move up to a 500 record. 3-3. Krysos move down in the rankings. 2-4 now in the NULS season. Blizzard Esports at that number 4 rank currently actually have a chance to move up if the other things go their way, but it's likely to stay at that number 4 record if some of the other records stay that way throughout the Christmas week. Do not forget to join the NULS and GSCS. NULS currently happening in their season. You'll be at the next season if you decide to join. GSCS happening in February, but there are multiple tournaments happening until then. Thank you for watching. My name is Antia from Manus Gaming Spot. Peace out, and I'll talk soon. Blizzard are not even trying as hard. They're saying they're working for the playoffs, eh? Yeah. Oh, that's a nice demo by Sync. That's bouncing to Not Solar. Looking for the double tap. Not Solar! Oh my god! Not Solar! 2-1 Blizzard Esports! What a play! It bounced down! And the Krysos defender thinking it's gonna go to the top corner. Tried to go, it didn't anticipate a bounce down bar down off the crossbar. Phenomenal play by Blizzard Esports. Absolutely amazing! His Sync take over. Pinch into the corner. Sync one more touch. Sync into the net. Sync is unstoppable. Really fighting for that starting spot, number 2 cushion. Sync is absolutely unstoppable today. Solar's gonna go misfit. Not Solar gets the dunk. Not Solar! 7-1 Brazil for Blizzard Esports. Wow.